Ice cream lovers, welcome to this session of Scoop School. It's glad to have you here. We're broadcasting from St. Louis, Missouri. It's coming into spring. The bulbs are coming out of the ground. This is the most important and exciting time of the year because, hey, ice cream season is nearly upon us. Do want to thank our episode sponsor here, which is Lockheed Vanilla. Love the Lockheed Vanilla boys. They're based just down the road here in St. Louis. 3 generations of vanilla goodness. Lockheed Vanilla down below. There's John, there's George, there's Matt, there's Darren. Well, there's some other people there too, but they're the main 4. All your vanilla needs. Vanilla bean specks, pastes, other extracts, lockheedvanilla.com. They are going to feature in the content today, so keep an eye out for that. Clink, clink. Anyway, thank you for your episode sponsorship. The link is down below. Most of us in the food service industry know what the term broadline distributor means. In air quotes. Clink, clink. Broadline distributor. A broadline distributor is basically a general food broker, and they can supply to you many generic items that you may need for your general food service application, including your ice cream stores. They can do cups, some toppings, they can do napkins, spoons, the whole kind of generic range, some flavors. The trouble is that they don't specify, or they're not specifically in the business of the ice cream and frozen dessert realm. So what that means is someone like a Cisco, US Foods, Reinhardt, Gordon Food Service, they're spread all over the country. Some of them are national, some of them are regional. Benny Keith is another one. There's a whole bunch of them. They are a really good source of contact for you because you may be able to get some products from them that are general food service that they're also selling to the pizza shops and the cafes and the coffee shops and the restaurants in your market. The one thing I find about the strength from a good broadline distributor is that a lot of the sales guys have been in the food service business before. They've owned their own businesses. They have been chefs. I find that kind of common thread through all or most of the salespeople that work for a broadline distributor. So the beauty is that you can kind of pick the brains of these people to kind of say, hey, you know, what are other people doing in the area? Without betraying any confidences, like what are other people doing? What works for other people? Look, I can't betray any confidences, but anyway, you can get some good information and general products from a broadline distributor. What you're not going to get, unfortunately, are things that are very ice cream specific. It's rare that a broadline distributor will have multiple different ice cream mixes or bases. They may do some vanilla soft serve, some chocolate soft serve, because that's what's common in a lot of food service, but they won't have frozen custard bases or premium ice cream bases. They may, and always ask the question, but more than likely not. Things like a full range of hot fudges, variegates, some of the other things, cone coatings and different things like that, that you're going to have to find a specific ice cream distributor, products or services distributor. Look, A. Panzer and Sons, Dingman's Dairy, Lakeland Confectionery. There's a whole bunch of them all over the country that specify in ice cream and frozen dessert stuff. So you can kind of dovetail your ordering or vendor services, if you will, from your broadline distributor that might be local that you're getting just generic items from, and then finding a specialty distributor that's giving you your ice cream products. And I'll give a great example of that is Lockheed Vanilla. Your local broadline distributor may not stock Lockheed Vanilla. It's a very specific ice cream and other products, but a lot of people in the ice cream industry like a certain type of vanilla. They may have their own Cisco brand or US Foods brand or Gordon Food Service brand, but generally speaking, that's all they're going to offer. So the specialty processes and the specialty ingredients, even cups, spoons, napkins, are not going to be available from them. You have to find somewhere specific. So do your research. Look, a great place to find a lot of these people, these specialty people. They're members of the North American Ice Cream Association. Again, the biggest ice cream trade show and event is happening in November again this year, Fort Worth, 7th, 8th and 9th. This is where you can go and have a look at a lot of these things. Another great show coming up is the Southwest Traders Show in California. I think that's in April. So take some time, do some research, pull from the knowledge base of your local Broadline distributor, but kind of complement that product with something that comes from a specialty ice cream provider, and I think that you'll be made in the shade. We get that question a lot, and you may already know that, and you've already clicked through. Well, how am I going to know if you've already clicked through because you've already gone? Anyway, that's the way that it is. I've really come to the end of the episode, and I'm trying to drag it out, but there's really no need. Thank you to our sponsor, Lockheed Vanilla. And look, if you have a question, conundrum that you'd like us to help with, leave a comment down below. We love the comments. We try and get to all of them. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.